With over 30 years of experience in the hospitality industry, Data Plus has developed a scalable accounting platform that is unparalleled in the marketplace. We offer a suite of products that help you understand your business, become more efficient, and fit your growth strategy. Unlike other hospitality accounting platforms, Data Plus is built for multi-property hotels and management companies. This allows you to use a wide variety of metrics to compare your individual hotels versus your entire portfolio, giving you the ability to discover and address any issues or outliers at a glance in real time. Data Plus offers end-to-end automation with hundreds of interfaces connecting into your PMS systems, multiple POS systems, payroll, and even amenities like on-site golf courses, shops, restaurants, and spas. We can take in and process all that information from these multiple systems and consolidate them into one report and one dashboard, giving you a daily analysis of where you stand financially, so you don't have to wait until the end of this month, but it may be too late to act on the information you're looking at. We also offer an integrated budgeting and forecasting tool that allows you to see on a daily basis not only where you stand against your budget, but also if you are on track with what you forecasted. Again, giving you the agility to act in a timely manner before it's too late. But that's not all. At Data Plus, we pride ourselves equally on the quality of our products and the quality of our customer service and support. From self-service resources in our online knowledge base, which include online videos, tutorials, and guides, to live real-time support from our dedicated customer support staff. Data Plus has got you covered.